Pick your hero. Or villain, I'm not judging.
Open your eye. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Doreen, I've been meaning to ask, how's Cyril?
Oh, tail deep in nuts. I don't let him do courier work anymore. How's Trudy?
She's coming along. We'll have the space-time continuum patched up before you know it.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I'm actually the strongest one there is. But don't tell Hulk.
Our enemies are near.
Check this place out.
I am strengthened for battle.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Mission area is yours. Over here.
Advantage gained in the material plane. Power beyond sight! Beyond sight!
Another fearsome blow.
Too much damage.
I cast you back to the depths. More tentacles than Gargantos himself. Good medicine.
There they are.
Look out behind you.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going. We lost our shields.
Power beyond sight! I am strengthened for battle.
Fear the control lost. Bad anymore.
Foul creatures, return to the seas at once.
Control seize. The area's almost yours.
A shortcut through space.
Keep those field. Good to go.
Control lost.
I am strengthened for battle.
Does this make me a
A success. Your devotion's a name.
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime. Disappear. Shields up.
Power beyond sight! Forget the four. We two make quite the pair, Susan.
seconds before you attack. Get ready.
You promise me you'll take it easy out there, Susie.
Benjamin J. Grimm, you should know by now that I'm far from helpless.
Oh, I ain't worried about you. I meant you should take it easy on them.
Well, in that case, we'll just have to wait and see.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
When other people first saw my powers, they were like, wait, a squirrel? And now they're like, ooh, a squirrel.
Enemy in front of us.
A little help, please.
I am...
It's spider time! The mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
An unseen assist.
For us.
Remind me never to eat squid again.
I am strengthened for battle.
Yes.
Enemy in front of us. Wild creatures have risen from the realm below.
Shield squid Ozina does anyone? This is gonna hurt.
The winds of Watoon.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Good medicine.
Poor creatures. Namor should be ashamed.
A sea of pain!
A little help, please. How's that for a bat?
The doctor is in.
No winner yet. Going to overtime.
A shortcut through space. By the eye of Agamotto, power beyond sight.
Shields up. Double KO.
My spell work.
Another epic victory. Big win. Pick your hero. Or villain, I'm not judging.
I'm here to finish the fight that my father began. I hope I make him proud. Watch your step! It's about to get real sticky around here.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I've read all the reports about what you've been doing in Tokyo, Widow.
Don't believe anything the public eye says, kid.
Then you aren't one of the most dangerous and elusive spies they've ever faced?
Huh. Apparently, even those idiots can get something right every now and then.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
All I have to do is build her.
Full arsenal primed.
Nice.
There they are. You know what to do, spiders? Check out these nests. This is gonna hurt.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Listen, capture the mission area!
Fireworks.
A nice deep freeze. Need assistance!
Nando.
Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Perfection. Hello, world. Those beings appear to be hostile.
I am strengthened for battle. And my castle becomes a turret.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
The Sorcerer Supreme returns.
Watch how the white fox works.
Go Team Atlas. I like the cold.
Gather! Go gather!
I am strengthened for battle.
They've almost got him!
I'm hit! Cover me! Targeted for extermination.
Enemies on you.
No winner yet. Going to overtime.
It's my way. Psionic magic!
Always fade, Jubilee.
Advantage gained in the material plane.
Luna, Toa! Golden perfect.
Need some ranged firepower.
All systems smash! Pulse charge, fire! Significant max.
I'm hit!
I am strengthened by the Eye of Agamotto! By the Eye of Agamotto!
Double KO. Control lost. No winner yet. Going to overtime.
Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
How many of those mystic portals of yours can you open at once, Doctor?
I'm not sure I feel comfortable divulging that information without first understanding why, Director Han.
Tiger Division could use a way to mobilize our agents on a global scale at a moment's notice.
The battle starts in 5,
magic
4,
to facilitate your
3,
shadow.
2, 1!
Perhaps you should speak to Loki.
All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
The Sanctum Sanctorum is my refuge, my fortress.
There, I like the cold.
Good medicine.
Cover me!
Power beyond
The mission area is yours to capture now. Capture the mission area!
I'm hit! Cover me!
That's 3!
The doctor is in.
Thanks for the target practice, Nick.
I am strengthened for battle.
I suck! The only squid I want is an
Toya Shigan!
How refreshing! And you call yourself a...
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Sorcerer Supreme.
I like the cold.
More tentacles, more problems.
Jeff, you're just the cutest thing.
Control seized!
A nice deep freeze. That one hurts.
I'm doing this my way!
Hits the ground.
By the eye of Agamotto! What have you summoned now, Namor?
I like the cold.
I guess you are worth the trouble, friend.
Jeff, you're just the cutest thing.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going!
Bogies, here they come.
I am strengthened for battle.
Find them. A nice deep freeze.
They're down.
Glory is almost yours!
By the eye of Agamotto! Castle wing down. Bionic magic!
Doctor Strange's... Make it!
Director is in.
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime.
I'm opening a portal.
Control lost.
Pentagram of Farala. I am strengthened for battle.
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime.
Bionic magic. An unseen assist. I'm doing this my way. Power beyond sight. An unseen assist. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
You got out of the astral plane?
I did, but I'm not entirely certain where I got out to.
There's a lot of that going around. Maybe Doom can sort it out.
You mean Dooms, and they'll have to sort each other out first.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Spies know that truly observant people are rare and dangerous.
Usually I create my own shield.
There they are.
Power beyond sight!
Mission area is yours to capture now. Capture the mission area!
I have unfinished business here.
Enhanced ammo.
A nice deep freeze.
Good medicine.
Watch out!
Targeted for a stun.
I suck!
Look out behind you.
Us against the world! Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
By the eye of Agamotto!
I feel like myself again. Heard about it. Check your six!
The Sorcerer Supreme lives once more.
It's the grand finale!
I'm doing this my way!
A nice deep
Enemy
freeze.
in front
We've
of us!
almost got it!
It's okay. Admit it. You need me. I'm hurt.
The land shark does it again.
What do I do for an encore?
Control seized!
Capture complete.
Your medicine.
Limited ammo.
Feel the wrath of the goddess!
Castle went down fighting.
Control lost!
Extreme force! Fear Magneto!
Well, you can't expect to win them all.